Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or recover or disable Facebook account. First, open the Facebook app or go to the facebook.com. If your account is disabled, you will see a message saying your account has been disabled. Facebook usually disable account for reasons like breaking community rule, suspicious activity, using a fake name, too many reports. Knowing this helps you submitting a appeal. Open the browser and go to the Facebook Help Center. Search for Disable Account Appeal. Fill out the appeal form with your full name, email or phone number, link to the Facebook, a short message explaining the situation. Be honest and polite. After that, Facebook will ask you to upload your ID like passport, driving license, national ID. Upload a clear photo and submit it. After submitting, the appeal will process and wait for the Facebook to review it. This can take a few days to a few weeks. You will receive a reply by mail. If Facebook says the decision is final, the account cannot be recovered, in that case you need to create a new account using real information. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.